Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Woo! Thank you so much for clicking that play button, guys. So today is a really different video. I have never done this before, but because most people had said they wanted the apartment tour, and I was like, okay, cool, the apartment looks clean, well, decent, but my room looks trashy. So in today's video, you're gonna be cleaning with me, and then we see the entire, or the rest of the apartment rather, right? So guys, number one, please do not judge me. I have been working my dude off. Like, I haven't had a break since I don't know when. So I have been working like every single day. My laundry, I'm just looking at the pile of laundry I have there. I'm not going to be hiding anything. I will show you everything the exact way it is now, like the before and during and the after. And I did buy a few, well, no, I didn't buy a lot of things. I just bought like plants to put on my windowsill and something to hang like up there. But I still need to get what are these again, something tags, because I don't want to put like holes like nail. So I still have to get those from Amazon, or I don't know where can I get those, guys? Yeah, if you know what I'm talking about. I think they are called, oh, I forgot this name. I was looking at it yesterday. But yeah, anyway, so please guys, do not judge me. This is my life. This is my life, and I just can't deal with the mess anymore. So I thought, let me just clean with you guys. So let's get straight to it. Hello, baby boy. Hey guys, welcome to my living space. Okay guys, this is like the living area. These are like the couch, well, the couch. I don't sit on these, but I mean, they look quite okay. I love this painting on the wall. This is so amazing. This is so amazing. And just behind you is like our TV area. It's like our TV area. Woo-hoo-hoo. DSTV and like our sound, blah blah blah. And then we get into our kitchen area. So this is where like it's more like our counter, stove, our trash area. Let's see, you're too quick, guys. By the way, my class is recording this, so yeah. And then I just did the dishes. Well, these are like my dishes for the weekend. Glass and all those things. Our cabinets and our refrigerator. No. Can't want to open that. So guys, I'm gonna show you our bathroom. Oh, this is, what's this? Oh, for the gates. This is our gate control, security things. Yeah. Oh, Mklatse is just too much. Stop. Woo. So guys, because I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Stop. And people are gonna want to say, oh, can Mklatse come record us? Stop. Guys, so now I'm gonna show you our bathroom. It's really tiny, but it works. Welcome to my room. Welcome to my room, guys. Okay, I've been recording obviously, so my tripod is there. Guys, look at my view. Okay, before we actually just look at my view. I open my window and my curtains and I just see nature, plants, like, hello. Okay, come back. This corner is always a mess. I'm so glad I finally cleaned it. Moving along to my bed. Guys, my bed looks so cute. It's just a wutu bye. I love it. I haven't named my teddy, by the way, so please help. Let's just go to my closet. So in this closet, I just keep like my hanging things, basically. Down there's just like a few things I came with. Toiletries there. Up there, alcohol and food stash. Yep. To this closet. So because I had like so much space, I just decided to put blankets up there because it's hot now. So the Lion King I still use, and because I also did laundry, most of my pants stay in here, leggings, jeans, and all that. Down here is just like my sweaters. Hey mother. It's just my sweaters and jerseys and my underwear. I just bought this cute little thing to put my underwears in because there isn't any drawers. And then this shelf, I just put my t-shirts, work shirts, like long sleeves and short sleeves. And yeah, this one, I just put my PJs and swimsuits. That's where I put everything. Obviously, shoes. Ooh, those slippers are so dirty. Don't judge. Moving to this space. So as you can see, this is my laptop. There's my Bible, my diaries, watch, box tissues, camera, scented candles, shades. What else is in there? This is just so neatly organized. Up here is my toiletries. This one I use as an everyday toiletry. The middle one, my makeup bag. 9 West one, I really don't know what's in there actually. Some makeup, I think. And then jewelry box, Listerine, and vitamins as well. And then to my favorite part, I love this place, guys. Ooh, this is so beautiful. I got the welcome sign or pineapple thingy from PNA, and my flowers and candle from Mr.Price Home. You guys know that picture behind my babies. So guys, thank you so much for chilling with me today. It was really long. I wouldn't say I enjoyed it because I was cleaning, but I really enjoyed setting up this area on top by the mirror and all these shelves, because then it's like more organized, and that's the first thing people see when they walk in my room. Although I really don't have anyone come to my room except Latabo, obviously, and Mahlati sometimes. But it's really nice, and that's the first thing people see when I open my window, because it reflects in, like, people can see through the window, and this is what they see besides the bed. Like, this is the first thing people can see. So like, this is really organized. I hope it stays this organized. Like, whew, I just hope. So thank you so much for joining me today and for sticking with me. Thank you for not judging me. It really means a lot to me. I'm gonna end this here because I feel like I'm rambling right now. Ciao, bye.